Hello, parents. It is Monday, August 24th, and I want to let you know what your child is expected to do after our meeting today. So if you're an AM, then you'll be doing it this afternoon at 11:50. If you're PM, you'll be doing these activities tomorrow morning at 8:30. Here are today's assignments. By the way, this is in Schoology under today's assignments. I'll also email it to you, but the point is that your kids are able to see this too. I included what we did last Friday. Some of the kids didn't understand that they are starting to have activities to do. The first week or so, the work was kind of light. Now they'll have work every day, other than the read, write, and practice math and freckle. So these first 5 things, they were supposed to do that last Friday, or possibly if you're a PM kid, then they did it this morning. So those 5 should already be done. If they aren't done, then we need to work on those. Let me go over what we need to do today. This says reread Astra the Volunteer and highlight the answers. That's on page 4 of this presentation. 1.2 Character Traits Astra the Volunteer. Page 4. Here's the story, Astra the Volunteer. They read the whole story. Let me just see if reloading will help me see that a little better. Nope. Oh well. Okay, so here's the story. In the story, there are these little question boxes. They need to highlight the answer to that question. To get the highlight tool, we practiced this today and we practiced it on Friday, so they should be on their way to knowing how to do that. They click on this toolbox. Click on Text Selector. That makes this pop up. It has a bunch of tools like bold, strike through, but the one you want is this pencil right here. The question says, how is Astra feeling? What is Astra's motivation? It says right here, Astra is proud when she makes a difference. So I select that with my cursor, and then I hit the pencil. And now it's highlighted. If you're on an iPad, it's a little different. You have to press your finger down and hold it down. And then when you release, there's a word that's blue, and you can kind of stretch the rectangle to everything that you want to select, and then you hit the pencil. So they just read through the whole thing, and anytime there's a question, they highlight the answer. So that's the first bullet. Reread Astra the Volunteer and highlight the answers. Add 3 outside traits and 3 inside traits to your T-chart. We all made a chart today about outside traits about a character, like they're tall, they have brown hair, I don't know, what else can you see? They're wearing a blue shirt. Those are outside traits. Long hair. And then 3 inside traits. That would be like smart, funny, I don't know, artistic. Things that you can't see, that you only know that about the character if you see the actions that they do. They should play character bingo. That's also on page 4. It's right down here. They read the sentence, the boy painted a picture of the sunset. That shows that he is creative. And finally, it says record your favorite page and listen. That's on page 5. So if I go to page 5, it's down here. Here's the record button. So I go to my favorite page, and I record myself. Astra feels that everyone can make a difference. But they read the whole page, and then I listen back. I'm on mute. Astra feels that everyone can make a difference. So they try to read as accurately as they can. They can read it as many times as they can. And when they're ready, then it's time to record. Here comes the difficult part. If they are on an iPad, they cannot record. When they get to the screen, it'll say like, audio recording is not supported by your browser. So they'll need your help with this, but only if they're on an iPad. The way that I want iPads to record is using the screen capture function on the iPad. To do that, there's a whole separate video. It's right here on if you just click on in Schoology, Courses AM, it's right here. Set up screen capture tool on iPad. It's also under week 2 for Monday. It's right here also. And I'll also put a link in the email that I'm about to send you. I won't make a video like this every day, but since we're just starting out, I thought it would be helpful. So I hope that everyone is able to have a successful school day. Good luck.